Just 729 trillion miles from Earth, NASA's James Webb Telescope has detected a molecule that, until today, we thought could only be created by one thing: living, breathing organisms. Welcome to K218b. An exoplanet 8.6 times the mass of Earth, where a year lasts just 33 days. But here is what has astrobiologists genuinely baffled, and fiercely divided. Webb did not just find water. It detected a highly specific gas called dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On our planet, this gas is never produced by volcanoes or lightning. It is only expelled by marine life. So how is it floating in an alien sky? Normally, finding carbon dioxide on an exoplanet is a massive win. We know habitable zones exist, where planets sit at the perfect distance from their star so water does not boil or freeze. That is standard astrophysics, and K218b sits perfectly in this Goldilocks zone. But this is where things get strange. Finding a habitable zone is one thing. Finding a biological fingerprint inside it is something else entirely. What you are about to see changes everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why so many of you are joining Deep Space Secrets every single day. If you want to be the first to know when we finally confirm alien life, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because the data NASA just dropped gets even crazier. This mystery started as a whisper. The Hubble Space Telescope originally spotted water vapor on K218b years ago. But Hubble's eyes were limited. So, NASA pointed the $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope directly at the planet as it crossed in front of its host star. As starlight filtered through the planet's atmosphere, Webb's near-infrared imager acted like a prism, breaking the light into a chemical spectrum. And right there, hiding in the data, was a barcode. A barcode pointing to carbon, methane, and that impossible DMS molecule. So, what exactly are we looking at? The leading theory proposes that K218b is a Hycean world. Imagine a rogue ocean planet, completely covered in liquid water thousands of miles deep, wrapped in a thick, suffocating hydrogen atmosphere. Under immense pressure, the conditions might be perfectly ripe for microbial life. Scientists around the world are now analyzing this data, suggesting that if phytoplankton can thrive in Earth's oceans and produce DMS, alien microbes could be doing the exact same thing right now in a global alien sea. But before we pop the champagne, here is where it gets crazy. A competing faction of astrophysicists is raising a massive red flag. K218b orbits a red dwarf star. These stars are notoriously violent, constantly blasting their planets with intense ultraviolet radiation. Could these extreme radiation storms be acting as a chemical catalyst, forging this biological gas without life actually being present? Are we looking at a thriving alien ocean, or a sterile, irradiated water tomb playing tricks on our telescopes? I genuinely want to know what you think. Are we looking at the first actual proof of alien marine life, a true biological footprint? Or is this just a bizarre chemical reaction caused by a violent star that we do not fully understand yet? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below right now. I will be reading them. Does life always find a way, or are we jumping the gun? Think about the stakes here. This affects how we see our place in the universe forever. If K218b harbors even basic microbial life, it shatters the idea that life needs an Earth-like rock to survive. It means life can exist under crushing hydrogen atmospheres in dark, endless oceans. And if it can happen there, just 124 light-years away, practically next door in galactic terms, it means the cosmos is likely teeming with biology. We are not a rare anomaly. We are just one variation of an infinite biological song playing across the universe. By the end of this decade, every science textbook on Earth might have to be rewritten. The good news? We will not have to wait in the dark for long. Webb isn't done with K218b. NASA has scheduled follow-up observations using Webb's mid-infrared instrument, which is specifically designed to confirm the presence of this biological gas with absolute certainty. We are on the very edge of a technological renaissance. The instruments we have today are peeling back the veil of the cosmos, transforming science fiction into established fact. Science is progressing faster than ever, and we are the first generation in human history with the tools to finally answer the question, are we alone? But this isn't the only anomaly keeping astronomers awake at night. What if I told you Webb also spotted a colossal structure drifting at the edge of the observable universe that should not exist? Or that a rogue planet without a star is emitting strange, rhythmic radio signals? We are covering all of that in our upcoming videos, so you will not want to miss what is next. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey today. Remember, the discovery of alien life probably will not be a flying saucer landing on the White House lawn, it will be a subtle chemical whisper hidden in the light of a distant star. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.